It's a rainy day today, but the testing continues. What's up, guys? We're back on the dyno today with the ST, and we're trying to make a little bit more power. We found some more limiters here, and so we're going to play around with those. But so far, so good. Torque is way up over what it was last time, so we're going to try to work power up a little bit and see what we can do. I've done about 200 pulls, street pulls on the road since last time, so we're going to keep developing here on the dyno, see what changes we made on the street, and give it a whirl. So let's go. All right, so we did another pull, and we're sitting at 503 wheel horsepower and 545 foot-pounds of torque. So we're at the 500 horsepower mark, but I'm gonna keep playing some more, see how much more I can get out of it. As far as the torque, that seems to be an okay number. The transmission is doing fine so far. I can lower torque, very easily if I need to, but we're at the 500 horsepower mark. So far, things are looking really good. I'm real happy with this so far. So let's go. All right, so we're finished up for today. We're sitting at 505 wheel horsepower and 547 foot-pounds of torque. So it's about 30 horsepower over what we made last time, which is pretty good. So the only mods I have on this right now are the FinFab intake and the CVF intercooler. That's it. As soon as I get these downpipes back on, we will get on the dyno again and do another update, but it looks like that's it for this. We're all out of airflow, so it's not gonna make any more power. I did about 25 pulls today, so we're all done. For now, we're sitting at 505, 547. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.